Hi, welcome to my mail project for the CS50’s web programming course with Python and JavaScript. So let's log in into the program. This is the inbox. This is the sent box and the archived mailbox. I can compose a new message. After the message is sent, we go directly to the sent mailbox. We can view into a single email. Now all these emails are unread emails. But if we go inside an email, we can read the email, and if we go back to the inbox, we see that the email now is turned as read. We can also mark the email as unread with this button and go to the previous state. We can archive or unarchive an email. If I click on the archive button, the email is not in the inbox anymore, but it is moved into the archived inbox. And we can move back to the inbox simply clicking on the remove from our archive. Hear it back. We can reply on an email. Let's go to the Topolino mailbox. Okay. Reply. In the reply we have the RE prefix before the subject. And if we reply again, we don't have a repetition of the RE prefix. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.